Today's U.S. Census Bureau report chronicles the country's struggle to emerge from the Great Recession. In 2011, poverty remained high at 15%, with more than 46 million people living below the poverty threshold. While this number alone is unacceptable, income inequality also rose, a worrisome sign for families and our economy. This report is a clear sign that there's tremendous need for government action to promote job growth, modernize jobs, help poor children get off to a solid start, and strengthen the safety net for families in hard times. The report provides some key insights. Median earnings are falling. Median household income fell 1.5%, the second consecutive year household income has fallen, and median earnings for full-time year-round workers fell a full 2.5%. This earnings decline is consistent with recent research showing that job growth and recovery has been mostly in low-wage jobs. Income inequality is on the rise. Based on the Gini index, income inequality increased 1.6% between 2010 and 2011. While overall poverty did not increase, the gap is greater today between those at the very top and everyone else than it was a year ago. More needs to be done to solidify the middle class and to help more families reach the middle class. Out of all age groups, children experience the highest poverty, especially children under 6. But government does make a positive difference. One glimmer of good news in the report is that health insurance coverage increased, and for the first time, private coverage increased, most likely due to the Affordable Care Act provisions allowing young adults to stay on their parents' health insurance coverage. Unfortunately, some of the federal provisions that lifted people from poverty are now expiring, while others are under political threat. It is critical that these programs, including SNAP or food stamps, unemployment insurance, and the Earned Income Tax Credit, be protected. Policymakers must also preserve and expand funding for children who need the support of early care and education, particularly as their families continue to face economic uncertainty. We also need robust job creation strategies, including subsidized employment, that facilitate equitable employment access for all populations. As the economy recovers, we need to make sure that no groups are left out of the recovery. In particular, we need to make sure that youth, who are in a critical time in their lives for developing skills, are included. To address income inequality, we need to make sure that we're making good jobs. This report confirms that much of the growth in full-time jobs was at the bottom of the income distribution. Workers also need earned sick leave for the days when they or their family members are ill. This poverty data that just came out is another reminder that there is much more to do for workers and families. We hope you'll keep coming back to CLASP for resources on how we can expand opportunity and make economic mobility achievable. Thanks.